English version, Mathematics, Class 5, Chapter 8, Length Measurement, Number 8. Russell bought 250 milliliter packet of milk from the market. Now, if he buy 40 more packets of milk, how many liter milk will he get? We know 1000 milliliter equal to 1 liter, and first bought 250 milliliter and new bought 40 new 250 milliliter. That means 40 into 250 milliliter equal to 10,000 milliliter. So he total bought 250 plus 10,000 equal to 10,250 milliliter. Then total, the answer will be liter. Okay, then we need to convert them in liter, and 10,250 convert to liter. That means we know 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. So 10,250 divided by 1 equal to 10.25 liter. Thank you.